Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharkey's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and today I want to show you we're making up some hanging baskets, and we're going to focus on doing up some geranium hanging baskets. So I have a 12-inch hanging basket. It's all ready to roll. I've got good soil in here. We're using the Jolly Gardener soil, and I'm going to put in 4 geraniums in a 12-inch hanging basket, and also I'm going to put in something in the middle. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, but first I'm going to go through and put in the geraniums. So while I'm doing this, it's a good time to, geraniums need to be cleaned up. So, while I'm planting it, I'm going to go through and kind of strip down, and anything that's kind of questionable, or if there's any leaves, or if the flowers are spent, I'm going to clean those off at this time. And I'm just going to go through and kind of quadrant this hanging basket. So what I mean by that is, there's 4 hangers on this 12-inch hanging basket, so I'm going to put 1 geranium in each one of those quadrants, and then I'm going to work in the middle. But as I'm going along, I do want to clean them up so that I don't have to do it afterwards. And most of this looks pretty good, but we have several geranium how to care for them videos, and we talk a lot about that. You do need to clean that up, so you can go back through and you can watch those videos and check that out. But the best time to do it right now is clean them up. So I'm gonna get these geraniums in place and ready to roll, and this one's got just a little bit more to clean up on it. And that's pretty good. If there is a leaf or a flower in question, you might as well just take it off now. I'm going to put this in the middle because what Scaevola does is it pokes through, and so this white will poke through and go all over. Or I also have this purple colored, and the purple would look really cool with this magenta color. But same thing, I will put this right in the middle because it's going to poke through the geraniums and come out all over. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this purple Scaevola because I really like the look of this one. So I'm going to pull this one out. I don't have any cleanup that needs to be done. I'm going to put this Scaevola right in the middle, and I'm going to just dig that right in. And I might have to kind of move the geraniums a little bit, push it right in and get it in. Now, again, I talked about kind of training it to where you want it to come out, and that's really going to be in the next couple of weeks. Is as this Scaevola is growing, I might push it underneath so that it comes out here. As this Scaevola is growing over here, I might push it through over here so that we have the Scaevola coming out there, that fan flower. So that fan flower is going to look really nice. That purple with this hot magenta, this is going to be a very nice hanging basket. So this hanging basket is all ready to go. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start fertilizing right away because I want growth right away. I want to get this hanging basket nice and big. So I'm going to hit it with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer about once a week and get this going. So again, 4 geraniums in a 12-inch hanging basket, and I put 1 fan flower right in the middle. If I was going with a trailing plant, I would probably put a trailing plant on the outside. I would probably put 2 in, maybe on one side. I like to balance and go with 1 on the other side. So this is going to turn out really nice, and that helps you kind of get an idea of how many plants that you would put in a 12-inch hanging basket. So if you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and like our videos, and also be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. And you can also go over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. We have a lot of blog articles, tips and tricks there, and of course we have our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer, and you can also find other products like the slow release fertilizer, the Osmo Code, and that's all at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.